Swingline GBC BindMate Comb Bind Binding Machine. The BindMate Comb Bind manual binding machine creates professional-looking bound documents from letter to oversized documents. This machine is compact, portable, and is perfect for use in your home or small office. Achieve perfect results every time due to the quick-step workflow guide that leads users through the punching and binding process using numbering and images to eliminate mistakes. This guide quickly checks document thickness and selects the correct comb size for the number of pages you are binding. The BindMate can bind up to 160 sheet documents or a maximum comb size of 3/4 of an inch. There is even an easy-to-access chip tray at the back of the unit that collects the paper waste for quick and mess-free disposal. Simply punch your document, up to 9 sheets at a time. Measure your document. Select the correct comb bind spine size. Load the spine onto the BindMate. Open the spine by turning the handle on the side of the machine. Place your cover and punched document onto the spine. Return the handle to its starting position and you have a finished document. It's that easy. If you ever need to adjust your bound document, simply place it on the silver teeth, turn the handle on the side of the machine to open the spine, and remove and reload pages onto the binding comb. The BindMate Comb Bind Binding Machine comes with a 1-year warranty. Purchase yours today.